Good morning, everyone. It is Julie here with your Tuesday morning stock market news. We're bringing you up to speed with what you need to know as the market opens. So let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here. I hope you guys all had a lovely long weekend. This morning, of course, we're going to be taking a look at exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, and which stocks are the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Don't forget to download the TipRanks mobile app if you want to access some of my favorite research tools. There's also codes to get 10% off in the description down below. Now let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. We are starting this short week off with U.S. stock futures in the red. Right now, Dow futures are down 0.31%, S&P 500 futures down 0.28%, and Nasdaq futures down 0.24%. Alibaba has announced a surprise top management shakeup following Jack Ma's surprise reappearance at a company event. The Chinese e-commerce giant said that Daniel Zhang will be stepping down as chairman and chief executive. He will remain as leader of the company's cloud intelligence group, which the company did announce last month would be spun off. Executive Vice Chairman Joseph Tsai will become chairman, and Eddie Wu, who currently serves as the chairman of Alibaba's Taobao and Tmall Group e-commerce business, will take over as chief executive. The Alibaba stock is currently rated a unanimous strong buy with an average upside of 56%. On Sunday, the Israeli government said that Intel was going to be investing $25 billion to manufacture semiconductors in the country. This follows an announcement of a Poland plant just a few days ago. Intel has made an agreement in principle to invest $25 billion in a new manufacturing facility in Israel, which would be the largest ever foreign investment in the country. In a statement, Intel said that its intention to expand manufacturing capacity in Israel is driven by their commitment to meeting future manufacturing needs and supporting their Intel's IDM 2.0 strategy. It is the latest move in a trend among chip makers to focus manufacturing away from China and Taiwan. The Intel stock is currently rated a hold with an average downside of 14%. It's been reported that Spotify is getting ready to introduce a new high-end subscription level. Bloomberg reported, citing people familiar with the matter, that Spotify is slated to bring a new Supremium subscription to the market later this year, featuring high-fidelity radio. It is slated to be launched outside of the U.S. and help them further compete with Apple and Amazon Music. The Spotify stock is currently rated a moderate buy, but with a price target it has already surpassed with a lot of recent growth. PayPal will be selling up to $40 billion of its European Buy Now, Pay Later loan portfolio to KKR. Under a new multi-year $3 billion replenishing loan commitment, KKR's private credit funds and accounts will acquire substantially all of their European Buy Now, Pay Later loan portfolio held on PayPal's balance sheet. They will also acquire future originations of eligible BNPL loans. PayPal will continue to conduct customer-facing activities, including underwriting and servicing associated with these products. For PayPal, the deal takes some risk off their balance sheet and frees up cash. The PayPal stock is currently rated a moderate buy with an average upside of about 38%, while the KKR stock is rated a strong buy with an average upside of 15%. And Eli Lilly has agreed to purchase Dice Therapeutics in a deal worth $2.4 billion. Eli Lilly said that its acquisition of Dice would allow it to leverage the company's developing treatments aiding chronic diseases in immunology, marking a push into treating autoimmune disorders from the 147-year-old healthcare company. The deal has been approved by the boards of both companies and comes in at $48 per share. The Eli Lilly stock is currently rated a strong buy with an average upside of over 3%, while Dice Therapeutics, who was up about 38% this morning, is also rated a strong buy and had a price target of $60 per share. Now, not much happening this morning for earnings reports. There's basically nobody on the calendar. But in the after hours today, we will be hearing from FedEx and La-Z-Boy. Now let's take a look at which stocks are the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Kingsoft Cloud Holdings, though I wasn't able to find any distinct news from this morning behind the rise, so let me know in the comments if you know what's happening. Their stock trades under the ticker KC and is currently up 8.6%. They're followed by Madrigal under MDGL, up about 7.9%, and Lazard under LAZ, up 5.76%. And our biggest losers are led by Dover Corporation. The news out this morning is that Mission Wealth Management lowered their position in the company. Trading under the ticker DOV, their stock is down 11%. They're followed by HUTCHMED Limited under HCM, down about 8%, and GDS Holdings under GDS, down over 6%. So that is going to be everything for Tuesday morning's stock market news, getting you up to speed with what you need to know as the market opens. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments. I always love hearing from you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you back here next time.